Today let's make Arabian style mutton harees. This is really a flavorful porridge with meat, just like dalim. The process of making harees is little different from dalim. We don't add red chili powder in this, only green chilies are added. This mutton harees would be more better than the harees available in Pista house. So do try these out, and the process is very easy, so give this a try. Step 1 is to add 1 cup soaked broken wheat. Soak the broken wheat overnight or just 3 hours is enough. And I'm going to add 3 to 4 cups of water. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles and then slow cook for 15 minutes. Second step is to add 2 tablespoons soaked chana dal, 3 tablespoons soaked urad dal, add 1 cup water and few drops of oil. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Third step is to add 1 kg mutton boneless into the pressure cooker. Goes in handful of coriander leaves, 20 green chilies, 1 cup fried onion, handful of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons soaked basmati rice, goes in 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, and 1 cup desi ghee. And to this I'm adding 1 glass of water. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles and then slow cook for 20 minutes. Fourth step is to blend spices. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon shahi zira, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 mace, 8 cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon and 8 cloves. Grind it to a fine powder and transfer it in a bowl and set this aside. Add 12 almonds and 12 pistachios, grind it to a fine powder and keep aside. Fifth step is to blend lentils into a fine paste, add water if required. Blend cooked broken wheat to a fine paste and keep this aside. Sixth step is to open the pressure cooker once pressure goes off. And now I'm going to add the spice mix and almond powder. Mix this nicely and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. Seventh step is to strain the lentil paste in a large kadai. Now add mutton gravy. Then goes in broken wheat. Add half cup rose petals, 1/4 cup vinegar or lemon juice. Now start mashing this with wooden tool. And now I'm going to shift this on stove. Now slow cook as well as mash it by using wooden tool. Heat half cup oil. I'm using fried onions oil. Add half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well and then add it to harees. And now mash this as much as you can. And to this I'm adding 300 ml milk. Mash again and slow cook for 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. Heat half cup ghee. Add half teaspoon grounded saffron. Mix well and set this aside. Now transfer this harees to a serving bowl. Add saffron and ghee mix on top. Sprinkle some fried onions. Garnish with fried almonds, cashews and pistachios. Top up with lemon wedges and serve immediately. Mutton harees is very healthy and super delicious, especially at Ramadan and winter seasons. This is one of the traditional recipes of the Arabian Peninsula. So guys, try this awesome recipe and let us know your experience. If you have any questions related to the recipe, share them in the comment below. We will be more than happy to assist you. And give a big thumbs up below. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more interesting recipes. Stay healthy, take care, and have a nice day.